Remember, step, turn, then draw once you're down and ready. Go. Now you should come, when you step, you should come into your natural shooting stance. All right, recover. Holster up. Let's do it one more time. Ready? Go. All right, good. Holster up. All right, eyes and ears, everybody. Nice and smooth. Make sure you're facing downrange before you draw. Ready? Go. 2 shots. All right. Look around. Make sure nothing snuck up on you. Look over your left shoulder. Look over your right shoulder. Nothing there. And holster up. All right. Face right again. This time you'll fire 3 shots. Ready? Go. All right.
Just a jam.
All right. Stand easy. All right. What you got to do, pull back on the slide a little bit and roll it to the gun to the right. Now, hit the back of the slide and drive it home. You're good. And holster up. Okay, 4 shots this time. Face to the right. 4 shots. Watch your front sight. Control the trigger. Follow through. Ready. Go. Check your surroundings. Make sure nobody snuck up on you. Make sure the gun's still loaded. Make sure the slide's not locked to the rear. Once you're safe, holster up. Step. All right. Turn, draw, and shoot. Ready. Go. 2 shots. This time, 3 shots. Ready. Go. All right. You're empty. Reload. You 2 guys, holster up. All right. Good. And holster.